must we suffer, Japheth? Because you don't want to admit that I'm the top martial artist, and that you buy house niggas in the name of Hades.
Japheth, if you are so much more insightful, smarter, and your timing is so much better than mine, please explain to us all the relevance of these pictures and why everyone else who thinks they're better should sit down and shut up, and you should explain to them why. I am in charge. "15 witnesses, extra large Lightning Pro Force boxing gloves." I could be wrong, could be extra large, but they're big. My hands are huge, you can tell. 15 hits, Wilder's 84-inch, approximately, boxing range, 1.2 seconds dehydrated. Now, do you see why I've been training all my life, since 97, and these pictures are proof? So now that Japheth has played stupid about it and downplayed it, now you see the truth and why you need to listen to the truth and not the half-truth. Thank you.